Let's create arc path using preset object. Duplicate and rename it. Now replace it. Object will be snapped to terrain. Open special tab named Arcs. Here you will find 10 arc path slots. Drop our objects to special field named point A and point B. Arc path will be created and you can change some main parameters. Let's animate path parameter. You can change thickness, height and color arc. Of course you can replace point at any time. Now let's add new arc. Repeat all process. Now let's remove objects. To avoid problem with cache, I recommend remove object from slots. Now you can delete object. But don't delete first object.